Hello and welcome to Ziways. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your account so you can list and manage properties on Ziways. Whether you're a landlord, estate agent, developer, builder, or property manager, this guide will help you get started. So first and first, you need to log into your account. And to do that, you need to click on the button which says sign in on the top right corner. Now, if you have already created an account, which is like a basic account, you need to log in with that here. So in my particular case, I have demo@ziways.com, and then I can enter in my password, and then I'll click on the sign in button. So now I'm signed in as a regular user. If you try to upload the property before your account has the necessary permissions to be able to upload the property, Ziways will automatically guide you to the become a property publisher page. You don't have to look for it. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to scroll down to the footer page and I'm going to click on list with Ziways. And here it takes you to the page that gives you all the information on what you need to do to be able to upload a property. So if you scroll down and you click on get started, now it takes you back to the onboarding page. That's the page that you land on once you've created your regular account. But for the initial video that we did, that one helps us to, we go here because in that particular video, if you want to search for properties or if you want to save properties or you want to track a property, then that would be the right place to go to. But for this particular purpose, we want to manage properties. So we're going to go to the next one. And here you have list or manage properties right in the middle. You click on that. And then we get the option for the form, which tells us what kind of professional account we're looking to set up. So if you're looking to be a landlord, that's if you're listing properties that you own or that you personally manage, then you can say you want to be a landlord. But if you're an independent agent, that is, if you're operating without a registered company, you can say independent agent. But if you're registered, of course, you want to choose registered estate agency. If you're a builder or a developer, you want to choose property developer or builder. And if you manage properties for property owners, you want to say property manager. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to say independent agent. Now, for an independent agent, the logo section is not compulsory, but if you had selected registered estate agency, then we would need you to give us a logo. So here, I'm going to give it a trading name. You can give it your full name if you don't have a trading name yet, but I'm going to give it Ziways Demo. And then I'm going to enter in a business email address. So for this purpose, I'm going to call it again demo@ziways.com. I want you to note that you don't necessarily have to use the same email that you registered with for your business email. So the one that you registered with is just for you to log in. The one for your business email address, this is where customers would message you. So if someone wants to make an inquiry concerning your property and you're a registered business, they will message you from here using your business email address. So we're going to put a company description. Now, this is what makes Ziways unique. On this section, this is where you get to give us your address. Now, the way we've done it is we try to collate all the streets, down to the streets in every location in Nigeria. So once you start to type, for this particular purpose, I'm going to type in Ade. And let me just add a little bit more. Okay, so we have a street, and then you can see that we have it down to the name. So if you click on that, it's giving us all the details. You can see all the details are already in. So you just need to give us the house number. But if you put in an address that is not available, that we don't have on our system, you can save it. You can put in the normal details and you can save it to us, and then we would verify that address, and then we will save it to the database. Next time you come, it will be available. So here we type in the telephone number. If you have a company website, you can give that to us. If you have a company registration number, you can give that to us. If you have a license number, you can give that to us. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to submit for verification. So the account has been submitted for verification. So what happens in the back end is Ziways is going to review the account that you have just created, and if it's good enough, if it meets the criteria, we're going to approve it. So once it's been approved, what's going to happen is you're going to go to your dashboard. So to get to your dashboard, you click on your account area here. This is where you have your name. If you click on that, you have the professional account. If you click on the drop down, and then you have professional workspace. So if you click on professional workspace, that takes you to the dashboard area. So this is what the dashboard area looks like. But for you to get the full details of this page, you have to do a refresh. So once you do a refresh, now you get all of the details that you need access to. So from here, you can create listings, you can build your portfolio, you can add team members, you can do so many things. And you can watch other videos to see other things that you can do. And that's it. Pretty much straightforward. Your publisher account is now ready. I want to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ziways tutorial. Thank you.